Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cardboard glider. Start by gathering your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget strong adhesive, like hot glue or wood glue, to secure your components. A pencil for marking, sandpaper for smoothing edges, and small weights for balancing are also very helpful. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable building process from the start. Now, let's design and cut our glider's main components. For the main wing, aim for a wingspan of about 24 inches and a chord of 6 inches. The fuselage, or body, should be around 18 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. Remember to cut 2 smaller tail wings, each approximately 6 inches wide, for the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Precision here is key for good flight. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Carefully attach the main wing to the top of the fuselage, ensuring it's perfectly centered. Next, glue the horizontal and vertical tail wings to the rear of the fuselage, forming a T or plus shape. Reinforce all joints with extra glue or small cardboard strips for added durability. Allow ample drying time for the adhesive to fully cure before proceeding. The final crucial step is balancing your glider. Locate the center of gravity, usually about 1/3 back from the main wing's leading edge. Add small weights like coins or clay to the nose or tail until it balances perfectly. Once balanced, find a large, open area and give your glider a gentle, level toss. Observe its flight path and make minor adjustments to the tail or weights as needed for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.